Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlink your Ubisoft account from Steam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to open up Ubisoft Connect. Then from here, make sure to sign in or log up or sign up. And then we want to click on our user profile name and then click into settings. Once we're inside settings, on the left hand side we've got different tabs. Click onto other. And then at the bottom, it'll say account linking. It's got a tick next to remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game. To unlink, just simply unclick that and click close. Another way what we can do this to manage all your linked accounts is visit account management. So that's going to open up a web browser. Then make sure to sign in. And now once we're here, we'll be under account information tab. If we scroll down, we'll see all of our linked accounts here. And if you see Steam, just go ahead and unlink it from here.